Yo, good day. Today I'm going to make a chickens. Today I'm going to make a video about a video posted way before. It has the most views out of all the videos I made. It's about this Spigen camera lens protector. Pasensya na kayo sa mga background noises. Ang review na to is mostly in English na salita. Kasi based on data analytics, ang nag-view ng video are foreign. So yun, this video will be better than the first one because it will have comparisons from yung wala pang lens protector compared dun with sa meron ng lens protector, kasi yun yung nag-comment, kasi yun yung may nag-request about kung meron bang apekto o kung merong effect kapag may camera lens protector while using the flash. So yun, let's go check it out. So for the first try will be without the camera lens protector. Going to take a picture. Subject will be this JBL Bluetooth speaker clip-on tray. So before you start, make sure your hands are clean. And then make sure the lenses are clean. Again, the package includes a cloth, this cloth to clean the lenses. It includes this cloth to clean the lenses. Then this again, excuse the background noises. And these stickers to remove dust. Before I'm gonna remove this, I'm gonna just try straight right there. Because that is the most challenging part, is to align the lenses. Oh man, it's gonna be hard. Not sure if it's aligned, but I'm feeling it is. We're gonna find out by opening the camera app. No, no, no distortion, or it's just like it's bare. Well, I haven't removed the plastic yet. Okay, let's press to make sure it's attached. That easy. That is so easy. The most satisfying part is this. Boom. Peeling the plastic. Just like new. Just like brand new. It's well. I think I got it spot on. So as you can see, it's totally dark in here. I'm gonna try just the basic photo camera up. This time with the flash. With the flash. Uh, um, First is this ultra wide. Oh. Then telephoto. Let's shut off the night mode. Just a basic. Oh. And then the 2x for zoom. Two times zoom or the macro with flash with camera lens protector. So there you go. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like what you saw, channel channel to my subscribe. What the